Brittany from Homegrown Traditions. I've got my little helper today.
So we made white chocolate peppermint cake mix cookies.
That's a mouthful, but they're super easy and super delicious, and we are going to give these to all of our neighbors for Christmas, and it's the perfect recipe for kids to help out with, so why don't you try one out? Is it good?
Yeah.
They're good.
Than just anybody. It's Christmas and I want you to stay. Whoa. Come here, baby. Why don't we cuddle up? I wanna cuddle up. Come here, baby. Why don't we cuddle up? I wanna cuddle up. Come here, baby. Why don't we cuddle up? I wanna cuddle up. Come here, baby. Why don't we cuddle up? I wanna cuddle up with you. The fire is burning bright. I'm here in your arms. We'll hide beneath the blankets, safe and warm. Forgot to invite everybody. It's almost like